I am nauseatingly excited for this video. Is that a word? I have wanted to do this since literally the beginning of time. Time isn't real, so I guess I haven't wanted to do this, but today we're going to be playing a little game called GeoGuessr, and I think the first time I saw this was on this guy's YouTube called Max Mike, and it looked fun and super entertaining, and so that's what I'm gonna do. Basically, it's a game that I think is like connected or related to Google Maps in some way, and you're just put at this random location anywhere on the earth, or you can choose. There's like different places. I'll show you that later. And you have to guess where you are. And I've never done like a full-on game or like completed a course. I only took a peek, and obviously they're not gonna give me the same location again, but I took a peek just to know how it worked and stuff. But I think that will be fun. So if you're watching, please enjoy. I'm really gonna try to do good. I was really good at geography, and I'm into locations and all that jazz. So without further ado, let's play GeoGuessr. I'm going to screen record this and attempt to shrink myself down. We have an array to choose from. We have world, famous places, United States, European Union, United Kingdom. I guess we'll just do one of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is gonna be a long ass video, so get cozy. World, let's play. Single player, start. Oh my gosh, where are we gonna go? Now, okay, these trees right here are giving East Texas, but I also know that this could be anywhere in the world. It's not just in America. I think what I want to try to do is find like the main road to see what side of the road people are driving on, because obviously, you know, that could help narrow it down. I don't like this. This is anywhere in the world. It's probably not in America. Okay. There's a little barn. It's giving a hoedown, throwdown. Pop it, lock it, polka dotted. It's a she shed moment, okay. Where is the general population? What is that poem? Two roads diverge on GeoGuessr. Oh my god, where are we? Could you imagine me on Amazing Race? Okay, there's snow. There's snow. Okay. What does that mean? We're somewhere up north. We could be somewhere up north. Still not a car in sight. Or this could have just been taken in the winter. Where are we? I just want to see a car. Like, is that too much to ask? Henry Ford didn't die for this. Maybe we're in Pennsylvania. What if they're Amish? I'm gonna need to like stop recording and just keep going until there's some more sheds, but guess what? Not a car in sight. Is that a car up there? Oh! It's a sign and it's not in English. We are not in America. Okay, what does that say? Helsinki? No. Haminkoski is to the right. Lapila is to the left. It looks Swedish or perhaps Finnish. Is that how you say it? Finnish? Maybe we're in the Netherlands. Maybe we're in the Nordic region. It's giving Thor, Ragnarok. This is a good sign. It only took 2 days. The caution sign? Should we follow it? I'm a baddie. Honestly, we got to move on. I think I'm just gonna try to see where we are. Wait, I need to make this bigger. I think, how do you get to the Europe? Okay, how do we zoom in? Norway, Sweden, Finland. It could be Sweden. It could be Norway. It could be Finland. It could be Denmark. It's not America. I know that. I don't know about the regions of Sweden, Finland, and Norway, so we're just going to say, is it in Iceland? Because remember, Iceland's green and Greenland has ice. No, I'm gonna, I don't feel like it's Finland. It could be Finland. It could be. If it's in Norway, Sweden, or Finland, I will feel happy with my choice. My body, my choice. Sweden, because it's in the middle. I don't know, guess. It was in Finland. You know what? It says right here, I was 298 miles off, and I'm not mad about that. So, good for me. Now we're gonna do famous places. Play. Let's do it. Girl, Skydeck, isn't that Chicago? Immediately I see Skydeck. That's in Chicago, right? It's not New York. If it's New York, how embarrassing. I'm pretty sure we're in Chicago. Like Skydeck, that's like the thing. We're not in Toronto. I did the Toronto thingy-mabob. Oh my god. I'm gonna say we're in Chicago. But y'all are driving on the wrong side of the road. Is Chicago really a famous place? I mean, it's well known, but I wouldn't say it's Skydeck parking. Which way? It's making a loop-de-loop. What is that? I think we're in Chicago. FedEx, we're in America. I'm like 100% certain that Skydeck is in Chicago. If it's not, I will imprison myself. Let's guess. I'm fairly certain. Okay, Illinois. Yes. Chicago. Guess. It is. We're in Chicago. We're in Illinois. Okay, because look, I'm right here. I was literally basically 5 miles away. Per. Should we even do the European Union? I guess. I've been doing okay, so maybe I don't know anything about the EU. Oh god, small cars. Okay, so they drive on the right side, so good for them. Oh, we're in England. We're absolutely in England. Look at these little signs right here. Like the little they don't have a subway. What do you call it? What language is this sign in? Oh, are we in Spain? Hang on now, wait, is Spain part of the European Union? No, maybe. That sign looked Spanish, didn't it? What's right here? It's vandalized. Thank you so much. Where in Europa are we? We're in Spain. Portugal, maybe? But I don't know if they're part of the European Union. But see, that kind of is giving British, is it not? Spanish. We could be in Portugal, we could be in Spain, we could be... People speak Spanish everywhere. We're just gonna try to guess and just get her over with, rip the band-aid off. Where in Europe are we? Barcelona.
From Barcelona.
From Barcelona.
Barcelona.
We're gonna just say Madrid. It could be Portugal. We'll find out. We are in, I chose Madrid, but I said Barcelona. So good for me. Oh my god, I'm actually doing good at this. Like, hire me, Nat Geo. I was only 315 miles off. Like, literally, I said Barcelona. You saw it. I saw it. Per. Now we're gonna do the good old US of A. United States. Kansas, girl, Nebraska. Okay. What does this say? What is Vulcan? Isn't that a villain? Grass, there's grass. There's clouds. So I think we're definitely on planet Earth, which is good. That's good. There's telephone wires. So we are in a civilization, if you will. Still going. What is that? That's like where they milk cows or something. I come from a family of farmers and ranchers, so if they're watching, I'm so sorry. Old Highway 61. This could be anywhere in America. This is, okay, I'm looking at the agriculture and it's more so maybe grain versus corn. So we're not in Nebraska, probably. Immediately, my first thought was Kansas. We could be in Wyoming, we could be in, what does this say? Norfolk. I don't need Norfolk, I need Morfolk. I don't know, we're just gonna guess. Okay. Kansas, just because the stereotypical. It could be literally, it could be Iowa, it could be Nebraska, it could be Kansas, it could be Missouri, Wyoming, it could be any of these. It could be East Texas, it could be Oklahoma, it could be Arkansas, it could be Mississippi. I don't think it's Alabama. We'll just go with Kansas City because it's kind of in the middle. Where are we? We are in Memphis, Tennessee. Oh no, we are in Mississippi, but I'm not mad at it. I was less than 400 miles away. So yeah, it's kind of in, you know, the heartland. No, it's not in the heartland. I'm not mad at it. It's in the general vicinity. Okay, the last place that we have is the United Kingdom. Diagon Alley. That's all I have to say. We'll see where this takes us. Now, when I think of the UK, I know there's the cottage side, and then there's the Brighton, and then you have Sussex, and then you have Essex, and then you have Buckingham Palace, you know? Okay, there's a tattoo shop, so maybe it's in Sussex. Is that where they speak Cockney and they're kind of rough?
Well, I'd probably say Cockney. Cockney.
Kind of like the redneck British. Are we in Sussex? I watch a lot of British reality though, so I should know better. Wade Smith, Adidas, so they sell shoes, another tattoo shop. I'm thinking we're somewhere in South England. Oh, but the United Kingdom isn't just England, is it? The United Kingdom is like, the full name, isn't it like something about the Commonwealth or something? Einstein? What's he doing over here? Because the United Kingdom is not England, or it's not just England. It's like Scotland, Wales, what else? I think there are a few other places. Well, honestly, I don't know, because didn't y'all just go through the Brexit or something? Okay, there's a Mickey D's, work, but see, like there's shops, so it couldn't be, I don't know, Essex, Sussex, Brighton. I'm gonna say, because the United Kingdom isn't just England, I'm gonna say we're somewhere in England, and let's split England in half and say that it's anywhere in the lower half of England. Okay, here's the UK. Aberdeen. I don't think we're anywhere. Where's England? So let's split it in half right here. We could, oh, Brighton it's at the bottom. Let's say it's Brighton. I didn't know Brighton was down here. It could be Canterbury. Isn't that a book, The Canterbury Tales? Let's just say Brighton. I don't know where we are. Guess. We were in Liverpool. I'm 214 miles off. I'm not mad at it. So yeah, we were in England. We could have been, like I said, we could have been in Scotland. We could have been in Wales. Well, that was certainly super duper fun. I am kind of proud of myself. I think I used most of my context clues or whatever I could to guess where I was. Like I said, I got all of the countries right, or the general vicinity of where we were searching. I highly suggest playing it. I think you can only do one free game a day, and then you have to pay like a subscription or something, which I did, but trust and believe, I'm gonna cancel it right after I finish filming this. But I hope you enjoyed. Bye.